Styled with both attitude and form in mind, the ladies' Harlow jacket is constructed with 1.2mm natural drum-dyed leather. Features the variable flow ventilation system, comprised of 2 subtly integrated intake vents and 2 large exhaust vents. And under all this ventilation is a removable insulated vest liner for those colder rides. For protection, the Harlow also features removable CE-rated armor in the elbows, shoulders, and has a removable spine pad. The Harlow's feminine tailor cut is complemented by our sure-fit adjustable waist, featuring 3 adjustable rear straps, ensuring a custom, form-flattering fit. Other details include a reflective stripe and snap loops to cinch the jacket to your belt. Available in black with subtle white and red accents, and an expansive size range from extra small to 2 Diva. The Harlow, sexy, form-fitting as only leather can be.